Do you know a solar eclipse happened in the time of Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam? Yes, you heard right. And do you know what the Prophet did when this phenomenon occurred? So before telling you this, please share this video with everyone so that others can also know what the Prophet said to do when such a phenomenon happens, and you will have everyone's reward for sharing this video. We are hearing everywhere that a solar eclipse will happen on April 8th. So a solar eclipse occurs when the moon comes between the earth and the sun, blocking the sun's light and casting a shadow on the earth. This unique alignment of the three celestial bodies is at the origin of this fascinating phenomenon. It is narrated that the sun eclipsed during the lifetime of the Messenger of Allah on the day when his son, Ibrahim, died. So people said that the sun had eclipsed because of the death of Ibrahim. The Messenger of Allah said, "The sun and the moon do not eclipse because of someone's death or life." And the Prophet said, if you see this, then invoke Allah, make takbir, pray, and give alms. The eclipse prayer is called Salat al-Khusuf. It is a special prayer a little different than the normal prayers. Here is how to do it. So whoever intends to perform, then he recites the Fatiha. Then he makes the inclination. Then he gets up. He recites the Fatiha again. Then he bows. Then he gets up. Then he prostrates, and this counts as 1 rak'ah. The total prayer is composed of 2 rak'ah. The Prophet said, whoever hears a hadith, whoever hears a good thing and transmits it to others, may Allah fill his face with light. So share this video if you want light on your face. I pray that Allah saves us all from the punishment of the grave and the punishment of hellfire. Say Ameen in comments.